Hi, it's Johnny. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ngayon guys, meron akong gustong i-share sa inyo about dito sa Pag-ibig Fund, about dito sa bago nilang program na Safe Loan. So yung Safe Loan guys, ito yung programa ng Pag-ibig Fund para dun sa mga gustong mag-loan na active member. So ano ba tong Safe Loan sa Pag-ibig Fund? The Pag-ibig Safe Loan is an official government cash loan program designed to provide quick financial relief to qualified Filipino workers. It helps member manage rising daily household expenses such as fuel, food, and utility costs. So ginawa itong program para dun sa mga crisis na nangyayari ngayon sa ating bansa. Loan amount borrowers can receive up to 10,000 or 90% of their total Pag-ibig regular savings, whichever is lower. So ibig sabihin up to 10,000 yung pwede natin ma-loan dito sa Safe Loan. So mababa itong interest nila guys kasi 5.95% per annum. So ang repayment terms natin dito is 1, 2, or 3 years. Then 3 months grace period. Your first payment begins on the 3rd month after the loan is released. So affordable to guys para dun sa mga member kasi kung ang kukunin natin na repayment terms is 3 years, so ang monthly amortization lang natin is 308 per month. So nagsimula itong program na to ni Pag-ibig Fund last June 11, 2026. Then ipinaalam nila nung June 16, 2026. So pwede mag-apply guys until September 8, 2026. Kung ang tanong natin guys, sino-sino yung mga qualified na pwedeng mag-apply dito sa Safe Loan ng Pag-ibig Fund? Para qualified tayo dito sa Safe Loan na to, so kailangan aktibong member tayo guys, employed or self-employed or voluntary member tayo, so qualified tayo na mag-apply dito. Then kailangan guys may sapat na tayong nahulog sa ating Pag-ibig Fund. So ang qualification nila, kailangan mayroon tayong hulog at least 24 months monthly savings sa ating Pag-ibig regular savings. So ibig sabihin dapat naka 2 years na tayo sa paghulog sa ating Pag-ibig Fund. So kahit paputol-putol yan guys, okay lang siya basta naabot natin yung 24 months total contribution. Then at least mayroon tayong isang active na latest na hulog sa nakalipas na 6 na buwan bago yung ating pag-apply. Then kailangan din may natitirang loanable equity. Ibig sabihin guys kung mayroon tayong loan dito sa Pag-ibig Fund, so kailangan umabot pa dun sa loanable amount natin. Ang loanable amount kasi natin dito sa ating Pag-ibig Fund is 90% dun sa ating regular savings. Halimbawa nakapag-loan na tayo sa Pag-ibig Fund ng short-term loan or multipurpose loan, so pwede pa rin tayo mag-apply dito sa Safe Loan ng Pag-ibig Fund. Kaso lang guys, mag-base sila dun sa natitirang loanable equity natin. For example, ang loan natin is nabayaran na natin ng 5 months o 4 months. So, i-compute nila yon kung magkano ulit yung naipon mo doon sa regular savings mo. Kunin nila yung 90%, yun yung pwede mong malun dito sa Safe Loan. Actually, hindi siya exact na 10,000. Up to 10,000 yung pwede nating malon. So, ibig sabihin, pwedeng 10,000 pababa. Depende dun sa loanable equity natin. Ano-ano yung mga dapat nating i-prepare bago tayo mag-apply dito sa Safe Loan ng Pag-ibig Fund. So, kailangan natin ng one valid ID. So, maganda tayo ng photocopy or scan copy of government-issued ID. So, pwedeng passport, pwedeng driver license, UMID, or Philippine National ID. Then, kailangan din natin dito guys yung cash card. So, kailangan mayroon na tayo yung Pag-ibig Loyalty Card Plus issued by AUB or Union Bank. O di kayo naman Land Bank Cash Card. Then, pangatlo na i-ready natin, selfie photo. So mag-selfie tayo guys, kailangan malinaw. Hawak natin yung ating government issued ID. So kailangan yung picture na yon, readable siya, nababasa yung information natin dun sa hawak natin na valid ID dun sa selfie natin. So paano ba tayo mag-apply? So meron tayong dalang option kung paano tayo mag-apply ng Safe Loan dito sa Pag-ibig Fund. Pwede tayo mag-apply via online or pwede tayo pumunta sa any branch ng Pag-ibig Fund para dun tayo mag-apply. Kung halimbawa sa online tayo mag-apply guys, so i-guide ko kayo kung paano tayo mag-apply via online. Open natin yung ating browser, then i-type natin pagibigfundservices.com/virtualpag-ibig. So ito yung official website ng Pag-ibig Fund. Then i-click natin dito guys yung apply for and manage loans. Then i-select natin dito guys yung apply for a short-term loan. So basahin na lang natin to guys para magkaroon tayo ng idea. Identity verification. So ilagay natin yung ating Pag-ibig number, last name, first name, middle name, name extension, then birth date, saka click natin yung validate. After natin ma-fill upan, click natin tong validate. So sabi dito guys, verification successful. Your member details have been validated. You may now proceed with your loan application. So click natin tong okay. Select the loan you are applying for and enter your contact information. So click natin tong loan types. Then select natin to guys yung pinakalas, yung Special Assistant for Financial Emergencies or Safe Loan. Then loan terms. So select natin guys kung ilang buwan natin babayaran. So pwede natin bayaran ng 12 months or 1 year, 24 months or 2 years, then 36 months. So halimbawa gawin natin na 24 months. Then lagyan natin guys yung sinasahod natin monthly net take home pay. Kung magkano yung natitirang sahod natin. Kailangan ilagay natin dito guys yung nabawas na yung mga deduction natin. Then desired loan amount. Ilagay natin guys kung magkano yung hihiramin natin. Kung halimbawa i-apply natin yung maximum loan amount ng Safe Loan ng Pag-ibig Fund. So i-check lang natin to guys yung maximum loan amount. So ang nakalagay dito 10,000. Then lagyan natin yung ating mobile number saka yung email address. Then click natin yung check eligibility. After natin ma-fill upan, click natin tong check eligibility. Ayan, so one-time PIN OTP. So makatanggap tayo ng OTP dun sa ating mobile number. Click natin tong OK. Ayan guys, meron na tayong natanggap na OTP. So enter natin dito. Then verify code. Ayan, so sabi dito verification successful. So click natin tong OK. So nandito na tayo sa Pag-ibig Loyalty Card Plus or Disbursement Card. So i-select natin yung card natin, kung ano yung gamit natin guys. Kung Loyalty Card Plus EUB ba siya, Loyalty Card Plus Union Bank or Land Bank. So halimbawa i-select natin dito guys yung Loyalty Card Plus Asia United Bank. Then enter natin yung ating Loyalty Card Plus. Then click natin yung check cash card status. And so nakalagay dito yung card status natin is valid pa din. So click natin tong next. Ayan, information before you proceed. Prepare your valid ID ready. So, click natin yung OK. Ayan, supporting documents. Provide all of the required supporting documents. So, mag-upload tayo guys dito ng one valid ID natin. Then, selfie photo while showing the front of your valid ID. So, kailangan hawakan natin yung valid ID natin na mag-selfie photo. Then, yung submit natin na mga documents. Ang maximum file size niya guys is 3 MB. Kailangan wag lumagpas sa 3 MB. Then documents allowed for uploading gaya ng JPEG, JPG, PNG, or BMP. Then PDF. So fill upan natin. And guys, after natin makapag-upload ng mga supporting documents, so check lang natin to guys yung I acknowledge, then I certify that. Then click natin yung submit loan application. Information, submit your loan application. So click natin yung yes. And guys, sabi dito application submitted. Your short-term loan application has been successfully submitted. So, ito yung reference number natin. Please keep this reference number. You may use it to check your status of your loan application anytime. Pag-ibig Fund will send the SMS update once your loan application has been approved and your loan proceeds have been credited to your Pag-ibig Loyalty Card Plus or Disbursement Card. Ayun guys, nakatanggap din tayo ng email notification from Pag-ibig Fund. So sabi dito, you have successfully submitted your short-term loan application using our virtual Pag-ibig platform. Your online loan application reference number is safe. So yung reference number natin. Use this application number should you wish to check the status of your loan application. Once approved, you receive a text message from Pag-ibig Fund that your loan has been credited to your cash card. So ayun guys, antayin natin na ma-approve yung ating application para dito sa Safe Loan ng Pag-ibig Fund. Ayun guys lang yung pag-apply ng Safe Loan sa Pag-ibig Fund via online. So I hope guys nakatulong yung ating tutorial at sana nasundan ninyo. Kung may mga katanungan kayo guys, pwede i-comment sa ating comment section below para masagot natin. Maraming salamat guys, see you next time. Bye bye, God bless.